In the previous lesson, we've introduced three variations of the if statement as a simple mechanism to control what code to execute based on conditions given as Boolean expressions. In this lesson, we'll practice conditional execution with some interactive exercises. First, I'll show you two examples for which you and I will be writing code together, and then I'll propose a third problem that I'll ask you to complete before I present my proposed solution. Ready? Let's go. As a first example, we'll design an even-odd number detector program. The program should first ask the user to enter a number. Then the program should indicate whether that number is even or odd. If the user enters an even number, such as 2, 8, or 10, the program should print, "The number is even." If the user enters an odd number, such as 3, 9, or 11, the program should print, "The number is odd," and finish. Now, what strategy would you follow in order to determine whether a number is even or odd? Please pause the video now and think about it. Don't write the code yet, just come up with a plan. The following is an easy way to classify a number as even or odd. A number being even means that the number is divisible by 2, which in turn means that a division by 2 produces a clean result with a remainder of 0. You may remember that Python provides an operator to calculate the remainder of a division, which is the % symbol. We'll need to use this operator to compute the remainder of a division by 2, and then leverage conditional execution to decide how to proceed based on the result. Let's get to it. Let's start by creating a new project called even-odd. We begin by reading a number from the keyboard and converting it into an integer. We use variable x to capture the user's input after printing a prompt message reading enter number : space. Then the int function will cast the string input into the corresponding numeric data type. Now we're ready to check if the number is even or odd. We'll use an if-else block to control what to do in each case. The condition can be expressed as follows. If x modulo 2 = 0, Next, in a line of code indented with a tab character, we print, "The number is even." Notice that the tab character is inserted for you automatically by the code editor when it detects that the previous line ends with a colon character. Now go to the next line. By default, the code editor keeps indenting the following lines with one tab character, but now we need to go back to the top level of indentation, for which you'll need to press backspace. Here we start the else block, followed by a colon and a new line. Again, the code editor indents the following line automatically for you. In this block, we print, "The number is odd." And this wraps up this simple program. Please take a minute to save and run your program. Solve any potential syntax errors or typos, and run it several times with different input numbers. Verify that the program output is shown as expected. If you enjoyed this content, you may watch the rest of this lesson at computersciencecamp.com, linked in the description below. You'll be able to follow along with coding samples and problems in our embedded code editor. Drop your questions in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to help support the channel. Thank you, and happy coding!